Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics, and today is my first video in like 3 days. That's crazy. I haven't gone this long without doing a video, and I feel kind of guilty, but you know what? It's all good. So I just got back from watching The Avengers. You may know if you follow me on Instagram. I got this free poster, so go ahead and check it out. It's pretty dope. We love you 3000. It's only a spoiler if you Google what that means if you haven't seen the movie. And plus, you know what? Whatever. Yeah, they just re-released, and there's some bonus footage at the end. But anyway, what this video is about, I have a 3-package mail day. I actually pre-staged and opened these up. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So my first one is from eBay, and I didn't want to do it, but I did it anyway. Paid double the price of cover. So I'm actually going to sell issue number 14 regular. This is the symbiote, the bloody symbiote variant. Why? Because I'm a sucker, I'm a completionist, and I just wanted to grab it. What else? I don't know what this is actually, but it was shipped in a manila envelope. Is it envelope or envelope? But let's go ahead and check it out. Damn, sorry, thought I pre-staged. I pre-staged the other one. Don't worry. Ooh. Risky business. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Let's see if that's good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this other side because I think I know what it is, and I really don't want to damage it. That was close. Deep cut. All right. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Wow. Double-sided tape so that when you try to take it off, it's going to bend. But not me. Never. Check it out. This is, so I did a video on Tuesday, I think, letting you know that my LCS comics and stuff in San Diego fucking screwed me, and this was supposed to be my pull, but it wasn't. And this one has a tick. No tick. That was the paper. But check it out, Silver Surfer Black #1, second printing. Has the spoiler on there. This is my favorite Silver Surfer Black. Actually, I'm going to show you some pickups I got. Did I do a new comic book day pickup this week? I can't remember. Oh, no, I didn't, because they haven't. Not all of them came from Things from Another World. But yeah, so I'll just wait until that video. So this one's from Dave Langston at those that Facebook group that I told you about, the online comic auctions. So let's go ahead and see what I got. This was one of the bins. I just love the cover, the Mighty Thor number 41. And this is, wow. Fuck. Doctor Strange number 39. Oh, this was a bin. And this is the one I grabbed. Strange Tales number 127. It's a key, and it's a Silver Age key, so yeah, it's beat up, but you know what? It's a key. Strange Tales 127. So yeah, that's all I got. So I'm chilling out on the auctions probably for a good while, not just for SDCC, but because I just got stopped. It's too much. So with that being said, I'm not going to have as much content as I usually do. So the daily videos are probably going to just like, not be every day. I don't want to just put shit out just so to put it out. But yeah, whenever I do feel like putting out. I really appreciate you all for being here. I appreciate the likes, the subscribes, and the comments especially. And yeah, that's all I got. This is High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.